The homeless man who refused $10,000. A YouTuber walked up to a homeless man sitting on a sidewalk in Los Angeles and said, "I'll give you $10,000 if you tell me your biggest regret." The man didn't even look up. "I already lost everything that mattered," he said. The YouTuber held a cash closer. "Come on. Everyone has a price." The man slowly stood. "5 years ago," he said, "I owned a tech company. I had a beautiful wife, a house in the hills, and more money than I knew what to do with. People stopped walking. But I got comfortable. I stopped fighting. I stopped believing in myself." His voice cracked. "And when life hit me, I had nothing left inside to fight back." The YouTuber held out the money again. The man pushed it away. "I don't need money to start over. I need courage." Then he looked straight into the camera. "If you're watching this and you feel stuck, broke, or forgotten," he paused, "you're not finished." He finally took the money. "This time I won't waste my second chance."